Hello, students. I hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to Jonas Research Team on our NSPSS training program for data analysis. My name is Enes Sechim Amwa, and I'll be your tutor for this training on R and SPSS program. I'm a teaching and research assistant at Department of Statistics and Actuarial Science, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So I'll be walking you guys through R and the SPSS training program. I will take this opportunity to thank all of you guys who are able to join to partake on this training section. And at the end of the training, each and every one of you guys who really fear coding in R and using SPSS will be well equipped for it. I'll take this opportunity to thank the Lord Almighty for making this class come into existence. So in this program, as I already said that I'll be a tutor, I have two brethren who will be my assistant, right? So my assistant will be Joseph Tego and Eric Edu. They will be the teaching assistant for this course. So anything at all that you don't really understand, you can contact these people, and then I'm very sure they will give you whatever you need, right? So this R and SPSS training program. So you'll be starting with R, right? So what you'll be doing in R will be the about the 8 or about 5, so about 9-8 bullet that you can see on the screen. You'll be doing getting started will be the arithmetics, and the data structure will be the type of atomic data type, programming constraint will be data exploration and cleaning, descriptive statistics, plot and inferential statistics, and predictive one modeling, right? This is what we'll be mainly be discussing on R. So before you continue, we have to know how we install our R in the R Studio, so that any code that we are supposed to write, we will not write it on paper, but we write it in the R and the R Studio so that it will run it for us. So for you to be able to install your R in the R Studio, you have to, if you have Chrome or any browser on your laptop or your computer, you just open the browser, you just type here R Studio. Once you type the R Studio, a pop-up will come, right? So R Studio downloader, you will see R Studio Desktop, right? R Studio Desktop. So once you see the R Studio Desktop, you just click on it, right? Once you click on it, a pop-up will come like this. So you have the R, install R, and then we have install R Studio, right? So for you to be able to install your R, you have to click on download and install R. So you click on it, and then you see we have download R for this one, download R for MacBook, download R for Windows. So those of us who are using Windows will click download R for Windows. Those are as we are using Mac, will click on download for Black, right? So here we are clicking on download for Windows. Once you click on download for Windows, you will see install for the first time, right? So once you come here, you see download R4.5, right? So you just click on R4.5 for Windows, click on it. So once you click on it, you see it will show here that it is downloading, right? So you have to come back to this place, right, so that you can install your R Studio, right? So you just click on download R Studio Desktop for Windows. So once you click on that, you see that one too has start downloading here, right? That one too has start downloading here. So as I was saying, once you come to the download section here, you see it has finished downloading, right? You see it has finished downloading. So you go to your desktop, you open any folder, right, as you can see on your desktop. So any folder at all, you come to download, right? So you see today these two files have been downloaded from one time, so it will appear here. So first I have to install the R 4.0 before I will install the R Studio, right? So you just click on this. So once you click on this, so it will come like this. Just click on yes, right? Once you click on yes, so come like this, yes, English. So press OK. Next, 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 right? So you see it is installing, right? So once the R for Windows is being installed, then you also install the R Studio. After that, you will launch that, and so you see it installed, right? So once it's done installed, you see finish here, right? So you just click on the finish, and then come to the R Studio installer. So once you click on it, it will also a pop-up will come. So as you can see, pop-up will come, right, for you to install. So here you just click on yes, right? Click on yes, and you see it is going to install. So here it has come, pop-up will come like this. You click on next, install, right, and then you see it installing, right? So this one to move out to the end and then to right, you see finish there, then you click on it. So once you click on it, you can also launch. So let's wait for it to install before we continue to how we will launch it, right? So also, as you can see, it is done downloading. So you see R has been installed on your computer, right? So you just click on what finish. So once you click on finish, right, you come to your Windows section, and when you come to the current listing, you see R, right? So let's search for R Studio, right? So let's search for it. R Studio. See R Studio is here. Just open it. So you see it has launched successfully, as you can see on the screen here. So at the end of the day, we have different form of what demarcation here in R, right? So as you can see where the cursor is moving here is the command window, right? So you use this section to write our codes. So any codes at all that you want to write, you write them here, right? And when you come down here too, here is what the console, right? That's the console. So any code that you write here, once you run it, the result will appear at the console section. So at the end of the day, you see, if you want to clean everything from the console section, right, you just click Ctrl+L, right? Everything will be moved from the console section so that you can see your results clearly, right? And then when you come here to, you have the environment section. So this environment section, any data that you install in R will appear here at what the environment section, right? And when you come here, you have files, plots, packages, help, view, and presentation, right? So once I come to the files will lead me to most of the files that I have on my desktop, right? And then you have to plot here. So if you want to plot and you have written any code at the console section, right? You have written any code at what the console, the command section. Once you run it, the plot will appear here, right? This section, the plot will appear here. So as we keep on, as we go on this section, you will see a lot of graphs and you see how it will appear in R, right? And then the packages that you can see here to use to install our packages, right? Let's say if you are dealing with a graph and then you want to install your ggplot, you can come here and then install your ggplot. So when you come here, you see install and package update here. So once you click on install here, right, a pop-up will come and you type your package inside. But here we are not interested in that for now, right? So I also have a help session that you can ask R about some of the codes, right? R have some of the codes in menu, right? So this is how the R interface works. This is how the R interface works, as you can see. So basically, this is how you download and install your R. So in our subsequent videos, in our subsequent class, we will do more about how you code in R and then learn a lot. So this is Jonas Statistics and Mathematics Tutor class for R and SPSS. Now I'm going to move this video to YouTube. So kindly go and watch, like, and share to your friends so that they too can also benefit from this class. Thank you for joining the class.